A lot of men believe they can't get jacked without access to a gym, but honestly, that's far from the truth. Now, if your goal is to look like a shredded big bodybuilder, then yes, you need the gym. But if your goal is to build a simple, aesthetic, muscular physique, you can do that with calisthenics alone. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 exercises that you need, how to progress them from beginner all the way to advanced, and a simple workout routine you could do at home, all in under 10 minutes. Our first exercise is pull-ups, one of the greatest exercises of all time. It's important to help you build your lats, giving you that V look, which is essential to looking aesthetic. It will also work your arms and all of the muscles in your back. For beginners, you can start with band pull-ups. You're gonna find a band in which you can do anywhere from 5 to 10 reps. And once you can do 10 reps with the easiest band, you can start doing real pull-ups. Make sure you go all the way down until your arms are locked out and chin over the bar. And once you can do 10 real pull-ups, you can progress to chest to bar pull-ups, or you can also start to add weight to your pull-ups as well. Oh, and also make sure to alternate between pull-ups and chin-ups to avoid overuse. Our second exercise is the push-up. This will help tighten your chest, and it's one of the best exercises to do if you're currently struggling with man boobs. On top of building your chest, it also targets your shoulders and your triceps. For beginners, we're gonna start with knee push-ups. We're gonna progress to 10 reps, and then we're gonna start doing real push-ups. Chest to the ground, arms all the way locked out at the top. And for the advanced variation, we're gonna start doing deficit push-ups. And you can add a weight vest and keep progressing indefinitely. By the way, I'm just curious, how many push-ups can you currently do? Comment down below. Our next exercise is the one that most men neglect, and it's the squat. Squats are very important to building all the muscles in our legs, from our glutes to our quads to our hamstrings. For beginners, we're gonna start squatting on a chair. And once you can do 10 reps, you're gonna progress to bodyweight squats. And once the bodyweight squats get easy, we go into split squats. And you're gonna add a weight vest as you get stronger. You will also see that this is the easiest exercise out of the 5 to progress on, because our legs have the most potential in terms of building muscle and strength. In fact, this is the one exercise I actually do recommend lifting weights because of how much potential it has. Next up is the inverted row. Another fantastic exercise to target the back and our arms. For beginners, you can start with your legs bent. And once you can do 10, we're gonna progress to where your legs are straight. The advanced version, we will now have our feet elevated as well, and we will add a weight vest to further progress. For our last exercise, it's gonna be the dip. This is another pushing movement in which it's gonna target your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. Be careful with this one. If you do not have the mobility or the strength to do this, it's important that you work on those foundations first. The dip has the most potential to get hurt out of the 5 exercises that I mentioned in this video. For beginners, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start doing half dips, basically meaning we're only gonna go halfway down. Once you can do 10, then you're gonna start working on going all the way down. And just like the pull-ups and the push-ups, we can add a weight vest, or we can add added weight to make sure that we can further make progression on the dip. Now that we have the 5 exercises, here's a very simple routine that you can do literally every day, and it is modeled after Mike Mentzer. And if you're not familiar with who Mike Mentzer is, he was the uncrowned Mr. Olympia. And he believed one hard set to failure is all you needed for muscle growth. Just like his training philosophy, we're also gonna be doing 1 set to failure because of the fact that our workout is supposed to be less than 10 minutes. And here's the rules. You're gonna do the exercises in this particular order. Pull-ups first, then push-ups, and then squats, then inverted rows, and then dips. That way, the exercises do not interfere with each other, because if you were to do a push-up and then you do a dip right afterwards, those 2 movements are both working your chest, your shoulders, and your tricep. You wanna do another movement in which you can rest those muscles and go a little hard again once you get back there. Our rep range is very simple. We're gonna do anywhere from 5 to 10 reps. The rule here is if you could do 10 reps, then the next time you do that exercise, you're gonna add just a little bit of weight and make sure that you're still in that 5 to 10 rep range. And this is where it's very useful to have a dip belt and additional weights, because you can make smaller increments as you improve. With a weight vest, it can get very expensive if you're having a 10-pound, 20-pound, 30-pound weight vest. And for our rest time, it is very important to rest, so I advise that you rest at least 2 minutes between each exercise. That's why this whole routine is gonna take about 10 minutes. If you were to do the exercises back to back, you're no longer doing strength training. Now you're entering the realm of circuit training, in which you might be limited by how much you're breathing. And we do not want cardio to be a limiting factor here when our goal is to build strength. And that's the workout routine. It's very simple and it's very effective. And you can literally do this almost every day. Most people recover a lot faster from body weight training than the traditional lifting heavy weights at the gym. That's why you can do all of this a lot more frequently. And that's it. The top 5 exercises you can do at home that will get you jacked. And when you get incredibly strong at these 5 movements, your body is gonna reflect it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And like always, I really appreciate you being here and watching the content. And you can watch my next video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.